In this last video for this assignment, we're going to talk about the type tool, which is the way to add text. Now, the way we do this is by going over here and selecting the type tool, and we want to click in the space where we want to form a text box. The one thing that I've noticed, it creates complications if you click and drag. So don't click and drag, instead just click. Later on, if we want to resize or want to change the font size, we can do that. Now, it always comes in as lorem ipsum. Once we get here, if we type, we can add our pieces, and I'm going to go 3 peaks pizza. Now, if you want to have it broken up where I have 3 peaks on one side and pizza on the other, we'll actually make 2 different text boxes for that. So I'm going to leave that there the way it is. A few of the options, if we come back in, and if we're in our selection tool, we can select into here and we can go to our actual font styles up here, set the font family. We can click into this, and if we click into it, you can use your cursor keys to go up and down and find or actually see the different types of fonts, and then pick the one that you want to have there. 3 Peaks Pizza. Once you go through and find the one that you enjoy the most, from there you can come in, and there's another little thing that's kind of neat, and once again this is in the selection tool with your font selected. Over here on the left hand side, it's called Make Envelope. It allows you to change how your text box looks. So if I want it to be an actual arc going that way, and there's many other styles you can select through and go through and check to see what you want to do. If you want to see that actually happen, you got to have this little preview box selected. I don't think that happens right away, but that's kind of a little neat thing you can do there. After that, you can use your selection tool to make it bigger and smaller and make it appropriate for where you want your piece to go as far as your space to go, your text to go in that space. And then I'm going to put pizza over here on the other side, so using the text tool again to come in, click, type pizza, and use my selection tool to make that larger. And I can curve it, I can do whatever I need to do the same way you did all the other stuff before with your selection tools. But that's how you use the text tool. Text tool is very simple, but the big thing is going through and exploring the types of font families. Different font families have different selections, such as regular, bold, italicized, all those things, and then envelope down here at the end. Once you envelope it, just so you know, your selections look a little different. If you go over here and I select this piece, my bar up here, my toolbar, looks much different than it does if I'm in my other one. And that is, over here, if I want to talk about my edit envelope, I have to be in this section. If I want to edit my contents, I have to select that, which takes me back to that original toolbar. So that's editing the envelope, and that's editing the actual contents. Thank you for watching the video. That's the end of the assignment. So the rest of the stuff is getting ready to do a file save and turn in, which is in the step-by-step walkthrough on Schoology. A little email to send with some information. Make sure you read that. Thank you.